Most people using AI video tools right now are doing the same thing. They open a tool, they type a short prompt, they get a 5-second clip that looks incredible, and then they have no idea what to do next. Because that clip has no story, no characters, no continuity, no next episode. It is just a moment that goes nowhere. And that is not a problem with the creators, that is a problem with the tools they have been given. What I am showing you today is something completely different. Topview AI just launched something called Drama Studio, and I am going to show you how I used it to build an actual episodic drama series, complete with consistent characters, cinematic scenes, and a story that runs across multiple episodes. And the part that genuinely surprised me, I cast myself as the main character. My face, my look in a cinematic post-apocalyptic series built entirely from one workflow inside one platform with no crew, no studio, and no budget. But before I show you how to do that, let me show you what we are actually working with here. If you have not been inside the Topview dashboard recently, it's worth a second to just look at what they have built. This is not a single trick platform. They have the full Seedance 2.0 model for cinematic video generation, GPT Image 2 for high fidelity visuals, motion control, character swap, and now Drama Studio sitting right here in the left sidebar. And right now, they're running a global launch offer where you can get a full year of access to GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 together at a price that honestly makes every other subscription look embarrassing. The link is at the very top of my description. But right now, let's get into the build. Click on Drama Studio in the left sidebar. This is your home base. You'll see a clean input box in the center of the screen, and below it, 3 options. Upload script or novel, single episode/series, and your writer level selector. Now here's the first thing I want you to understand about what we're doing differently in this video. Most tutorials will type a short 2-sentence story idea into that box. I am not doing that because I want to show you something far more powerful. I have written a complete, detailed storyline, fully developed characters, world building, emotional arcs, survival rules, episode stakes, and I have saved it as a PDF file. I'm going to upload that entire script right now using the Upload Script or Novel button. The reason I am doing this is to prove something. Topview Drama Studio can read and process a complex, fully written narrative and use every detail of it to build the production plan. It is not limited to simple prompts. It understands story. And here's the thing. I've made this exact PDF available to you for free. The download link is in the description box below this video. If you want to follow along and build this exact same series yourself, grab that PDF and upload it the same way I just did. For the settings, I'm selecting series because we want real episodic structure, not a one-off clip. And for the writer level, I'm going with the top-tier professional writer. If you're building something you actually care about, do not cut corners on the writing quality. Use the best writer available. Hit generate, and now watch what happens. The AI read the entire PDF, every detail, and instead of guessing at a structure, it built one from the material you gave it. Within a minute, you have a full episode outline with 5 episodes, each one carrying its own stage goal and emotional beat. The logline is right there on screen. The grand expectation is written out. The AI understood the story well enough to give it a structure that a professional writer's room would be proud of. But this is not the part that stopped me. Look at the Characters tab. The AI has generated fully rendered 3D character models, front view, side view, back view, the works. Physical dimensions, ethnicity, build, hair, facial features, all described in precise detail and rendered into visual reference sheets. And on the props panel, it generated specific survival props that match the story. A glass jar of sand, a military spec emergency hand radio, props that exist because they matter to the plot. The AI understood the story deeply enough to build physical objects that carry emotional weight inside it. This is the character consistency solution that the AI video world has been waiting for. Every scene you generate from this point forward pulls from these reference sheets. Your characters stay the same from episode 1 to episode 5. Same face, same outfit, same proportions. Scene after scene. And now I want to show you the part of this workflow that I know you came here to see. Under the father character setting, you will see a button that says Local Upload. Click it. This is where you upload your own reference images. And I mean a proper multi-angle reference sheet. Front, back, both sides, and a close-up face shot. The more angles you give the system, the more accurately it maps your face onto the character model. I am uploading my own reference sheet right now. Watch what happens. The AI takes my face, my actual face, and locks it directly onto the father character model. Right now, I am the main character of a cinematic post-apocalyptic drama series. My face will appear in every single scene of every single episode of the series, completely consistent because Topview Drama Studio just eliminated all 3 of those problems in a single upload. Now we move into video production. The AI has already prepared detailed scene prompts for every scene in episode 1, built directly from the PDF we uploaded. You can review these and adjust them if you want to, or you can go scene by scene and hit generate exactly as the AI has planned it. I'm generating the scenes one by one, and the Seedance 2.0 model is handling the motion rendering. What you are seeing on screen right now is cinematic quality AI video. Smooth movement, atmospheric lighting, consistent character appearance, and a visual tone that matches the weight of the story. This is not random AI footage stitched together. This is a directed scene, built from a structured script, starring a character whose face was locked in before a single frame was generated. Once every scene in the episode is rendered, you hit export. The episode is assembled and ready.
It heard the click. 6 feet. It heard 1 click. She's inside. They're both inside. Steady.
Maya, my notes. Why are you touching them?
Your order was wrong. Eastside has more creature activity. I fixed. Every night you go on patrol, I study your system.
No. Every step on grass, they hear grass. She's been leading them home.
Let me give you my honest take on this because the brief asked me to and because I think you deserve a real opinion. The output quality from Seedance 2.0 inside this pipeline is genuinely impressive. The motion is fluid, the scene composition is strong, and the character consistency, especially with the face upload feature, holds up far better than I expected across multiple scenes. Where I would give you a practical tip, spend real time on your PDF or your story input. The AI reflects what you give it. A vague prompt produces a vague episode. A detailed narrative with clear emotional stakes and specific world rules produces something that actually feels like a show. The quality ceiling here is mostly determined by your input quality. For creators building short drama content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or vertical drama platforms, this workflow removes every single bottleneck that used to make serialized AI video impossible. You no longer need to figure out how to maintain character consistency across tools. You no longer need a separate writing pass, a separate image generation step, a separate video generation tool, and a separate editing timeline. It is all one pipeline, guided by one AI built around one story. One person, one idea, a complete drama series. If you want to try this yourself, the link to Topview AI is at the very top of my description, and that is the link with the launch discount still active. Grab the PDF from the description box as well, upload it exactly the way I showed you, and run through this workflow start to finish. Drop a comment below and tell me what genre you are going to build. I want to see what people create with this. Like this video if the face casting moment genuinely surprised you. Subscribe to EsmileAI for more of this real, hands-on, ground-level AI content that shows you what these tools actually do when you push them properly. I will catch you in the next one.